Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I decided to show you guys how to make an amazing GFX just like my thumbnail. So without further ado, let's get started. So first you want to join any GFX game that has white screen in it. You don't need green screen because for green screen you have to really look in and erase all the green screen edges. So I recommend going to the white screen, and I recommend not wearing white. As you can see, I kept on restarting my phone, restarting Roblox because my phone wasn't really working. So you just have to screenshot, and yeah. After then, you need to join background eraser or any other eraser so you can erase the background. Go on Pixar and then fill whatever I did. You can see I was fiddling with it a little bit and then went to the perspective to play with it.
I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bottom below. You said myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself for you. I know the truth. Oh no, I know the truth.
After that, you want to join Pixar or any other editing app like PixArt. Still fiddling with the buttons.
These feelings inside, butterflies fly with me tonight. These feelings inside, butterflies fly with me tonight.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave, 'cause you are the only one.
After that, I decided to adjust the brightness and stuff. And I'm sorry if my voice sounds weird. I have a cold and it's not going too well.
The only one.
To be fair, this one was my best thumbnail I've ever done before, / my best GFX ever. Please leave a like and a subscribe to support me and get my coolness off, and it will make my day. this editing took a lot of effort and stuff, so please just help me and give me subscribers. Thank you.